BMW motorcycles, 1923 to 2023. BMW Motorrad's legacy began in 1923 with the R32, its first motorcycle. Featuring an innovative Boxer twin engine and shaft drive, the R32 set the tone for BMW's engineering precision and reliability. This design became a cornerstone of BMW motorcycles, ensuring durability and efficiency. The 1930s saw BMW dominate motorsport with models like the R37 and R12, which introduced groundbreaking features such as telescopic front forks. These advancements showcased BMW's commitment to performance and innovation. Post-World War II, the brand re-established itself with models like the R24, a single-cylinder motorcycle that helped rebuild BMW's reputation. The 1950s and 60s marked a shift towards long-distance touring. Models like the R69S combined performance with comfort, appealing to riders seeking reliability on extended journeys. The introduction of the /5 series in the 1970s, manufactured in Berlin, symbolized BMW's global ambitions, featuring modern styling and electric start functionality. In the 1980s, BMW pioneered the adventure motorcycle segment with the R80 GS, blending off-road capability with touring comfort. This model laid the foundation for the iconic GS series, which remains a benchmark in the adventure market. The 21st century brought technological advancements like ABS, electronic suspension, and TFT displays. BMW embraced electrification with the CE04, showcasing its vision for sustainable urban mobility. By 2023, BMW Motorrad offered a diverse lineup, from the retro-styled R18 to cutting-edge sport bikes like the S1000RR. BMW's evolution reflects its dedication to innovation, performance, and creating motorcycles that inspire riders worldwide.